and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. How are you doing today? In today's video, I'll be showing you another healthy diet. And what am I doing today? In today's video, I will be preparing watermelon milk. Oh yes, that sounds so weird, right? I'll be showing you how you can incorporate some vitamins into your milk. And this recipe is actually good for young people and also for old people. It's good across all ages, yes. So if you're looking for a way to get some vitamins incorporated into your kids' drink and to make them have the nutrient that they needed, this is another way. And if you're new to this YouTube channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Cecelia Howard YouTube channel. On this channel, I discuss a lot about how to make healthy diets, how to make different DIY life hack, beauty hack, home decoration and budget, anything that can save you money. Oh yes. So without further delay, we will dive into today's video. To make this watermelon milk, I have two main ingredients. The first ingredient, I have the powdered milk, which I will be using. Oh yes. And I have the watermelon, which I will be using. Yeah, this sounds so strange, right? Okay. The next thing I'm going to do now is to wash the watermelon. So, I already have my watermelon washed. And the next thing I will do is to cut out some of the watermelon. So, I'm actually using a piece of this big watermelon. I'm not using everything. Oh yes, so we have the watermelon. You can see that. Actually, we'll be using this small piece of the watermelon. So what I will be doing now is to scoop out some of the watermelon into the blender. So we have the watermelon scooped into the blender already, and this can actually go for 4 servings. So I will be adding the powdered milk. This is half cup. So you want to use 1.5 cups. So 1.5 cups of the powdered milk. And now let's blend. Now the watermelon milk is ready. Like I said earlier on, and I have ice here. This is another way to have your kids take some vitamins. Wow. So let's try out this watermelon milk. Oh my goodness. This tastes super yummy. Please try out this recipe at home. And like I said, this is another way you can incorporate some vitamins into your milk. This is yummy. And let me know what you would have done differently. But until next time, when I come your way, it's still your girl. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all. Bye for now.